kindergarten, we're going to be doing some practice with our new sight words. Some of these are our old ones, some are new ones. So we're going to practice some of these sight words and do a word shapes activity. We're going to do the first two together to give you an idea of how to do this, and then I want you to work on the rest of them on your own, okay? You can get this paper out, get your pencil. I'm going to use a marker so it shows up a little better for you all, but you can use your pencil. Get your name on the top of your paper. All right. The first thing we're going to do is look at these sight words in the box at the top and see what they are. What is this first one? The. Let's say that together. The. This one. Am. Now just 1 second. Let me get my lights back on. Sorry about that. All right, what's this one? At. This one. Go. Can. And this last one is to, T-O-2. So we're going to look at each of these words, and down below it has some word boxes that have the shape of the words. If the letter's tall, short, if it has a bottom dropper in it. So we're going to decide which one of these words will go in each word shape. They've done the first one for us, at. Here by number 1, let's trace that A-T, at. And then we're going to write it 3 times on the line. Ready? And we're going to spell it and say it as we write it. A-T, at. A-T, at. A-T, at. And I'm going to come up in my word box and I'm going to mark out at. We've already used it. We're not going to use it again, so that's not going to be the answer for any of the other ones. Let's do number 2 together. This word has 1, 2, 3 letters. 2 are tall and 1 are short. So we're going to find a word that looks like that up here in our box. So 3 letters is the first thing we're going to look for. Does this have 3 letters? Nope. What about can? Yes. Does can have 2 tall letters? No. Go doesn't have 3 letters. Am doesn't have 3 letters. Does the have 3 letters? Yes, it does. Does it have 2 tall letters and 1 short? Yes, it does. So the is our word that's going to fit in that text box. I'm going to circle it to help me keep my eyes on it. I'm going to come down here and copy it in the word box. I'm going to put T. You all do this with me. H-E. The. We're going to mark it out. We're not going to use it again. And we're going to come down on the line below and we're going to spell and write the 3 times. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Alright, I want you to keep going. You've got 4 words left, 4 word shapes. So for each one, you're going to figure out which word fits in the word shape. You're going to write it in the boxes, and then you're going to spell and write it 3 times underneath. Alright, do your nicest, neatest writing, and I'll talk to you later.